6 signs you'll pass the battle of the giants. Let's run a cold case audit on FTMO versus the 5ers. Sign 1, you monitor equity, not just balance. FTMO's maximum daily loss lives on equity, closed plus floating. A 5% drop from the initial balance and it's game over, even if your balance looks fine. Commissions and swaps count. If you're still watching only the balance curve, you're playing with a ghost rule you can't see. Sign 2, you size for floating heat. If your open trades can swing 3-5% intraday, you've already failed risk before the market closes. Winners pass by planning the worst tick, not the average tick. Sign 3, you can adapt to structural change. Owanda's prop program transitions into FTMO's umbrella, wrapping March 31, 2026, with client migration support starting March 2. If you can navigate migrations without losing discipline, you're ahead. Sign 4, you demand rule transparency and verify it. FTMO is stable, global, highly rated, with clear posted targets and limits. But the equity-based calculation trips many. The 5ers. Simple trader-friendly rules scaling up to $4 million, tight spreads, no regulatory oversight, hard 5% max loss with mandatory stop loss. Passing means you read every line, then pressure test it. Sign 5, you run a 15-point safety audit. Before funding, you test. Equity-based drawdowns, news docs, EA restrictions. Weekend holds commissions, swaps and limits, payout timelines, KYC and jurisdiction platform, slippage review, integrity support, SL requirements, trailing versus static, DD scaling terms, time limits, copy trading rules, breach evidence, dispute process. If you don't have this checklist, borrow mine. Sign 6, you can win in either arena. If you need precision under complex equity rules, FTMO fits. If you want straightforward execution and scaling with tight guardrails, the 5ers works, provided you respect the hard stops. Final word, this industry is consolidating, rules are tightening, and equity is king. If you want my vetted list, hit the vetting portal, capitalvetted.kit.com, 11D6 EDA7F8, link in the description. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this to protect the community. It takes 2 seconds and saves someone's account.